how are you? In this video I'm going to show you this navigation bar, how we can create it using HTML and CSS, convert it into a website. This is a Figma design. We will convert this navigation bar and this hero section into a real dynamic website. So let's get started. First, go to your workspace and create a new file and name the file index.html and minimize the Explorer. Now click exclamation mark, hit enter, create your boilerplate code, change the name to the title of the website, next sent. So let's start coding. So on the body element we're going to have a navigation bar, so say it's nav, and then we have the logo first. Okay, let's accept first the numbered list, and before that we also have this h1. Now this is the navigation bar, so let's check if these suggestions are correct. Home, service, features, home, service. I think we can remove this, features, product, and testimonial. So we copy this one, convert this features, feature, product, or minimize this like this. We have feature, we have product, feature, product, and testimonial. And finally we have FAQ, or frequently asked questions. Now you can convert these links. It can be feature, it can be product, it can be testimonial, and this can be FAQ. These are the pages that you're going to design later on, and then when this button is clicked, they will redirect the user to these websites. Now we have the logo, we have the nav elements, which are the number list, and the final type, the final one, this on the right side, is going to be another part of the navigation bar. So we have two CTO or take action buttons. So the first one is login and the second one is sign up. Now we can start applying the styling. Let's extend the screen. Let's first check the body color. This is the body color. It's not exactly white, it's silver color. So copy this, and when applying the styling, use internal styling, and first remove default padding using the star icon. And next we have the body, and the body background color as we have selected is going to be this. Use this add hash before the color code. This converts the color code to hexadecimal value, and this is the hash enables it to read the hex code. Now let's check if it is working. Use live server and open it with live server. Now it looks good. So the next step is going to be getting the icon. To get the icon, click on this separately. No, come on, now we got this. So here click export, and then you can export it in the form of SVG. Export icon. Now you need to copy this icon to your working directory right here. Paste it here. Okay, we already have copy paste downloaded, so you can delete this because the download folder was exactly the working directory. That is why I found the CVG after downloading it. So let's go back to coding, and this logo can have an icon. So let's wrap it with a div element so that it can contain both the image and the text. So let's accept the suggestion and make sure that we have the logos right way. Icon CVG. Now let's check our website. Good, we have the icon. So to style this, go ahead to your style elements, and for the nav element, let's see the suggestion. We have a good suggestion, but not the way we want it. Yeah, it's good. It looks good. So it looks good. So next, let's give the first div element a class name, and that is going to be logo. And the last div is going to be CTO, nav CTO. We can say it's nav CTO. Now here we're going to style its logo. Looks good. Maybe we can add a gap between the logo and the text. Let me check the design. Yes, I think there is a little bit space. So we can add a gap of 2 pixels. Maybe 4 pixels. No, it's 4. Let's do it 6. Looks good. Now for the unnumbered list, we have this. Let's check if it is the way we want it. Good. It looks good. Now let's style the link elements. Nav anchor tag. So let's see what it looks like. Nice. Looks good. I think we can remove the horizontal padding since we already have the gap on the unnumbered list. So next we can go to the CTO, nav CTO. Nav CTO, let's see. Good. Now what we're going to do is, I think according to the design on the navbar, we don't have a background color in the shadow. We can remove this. So this is our design. And it looks pretty much the same, but let's check the font for the text. So select one of those texts and check the typography here. It is Inter. So search for font Inter. Go to Google Fonts. And then I think we're going to regular 16. Let's pick regular 400. Let's pick this. Get the font. Get embedded code. So select import. Copy this part of the code and let's put it here, right here. Good. Now here font family is going to be Inter, comma sans serif. If the Inter is not found, it's going to be sans serif. Or here we are going to select how we do it. Font family, this is how you do it. No. That's not what we want. This is the last one. Now it looks good. It's almost similar. Next, let's style the login, the CTO action buttons. The first one has a color of this. Now CTO, let's give them different class name, login, and sign up dots nav CTO, not like this, dot login. Let's see how it looks. Now this is not actually what we want. We just want to change the color and remove the border, background color, and every other thing. Let's leave this transition. So the transition is not going to be any useful. Let's remove this. Now dots nav CTO dot sign. Let's check this. Good. Now using these AI suggestions, we have been able to complete it in a short period of time. So the navigation bar is completed. Almost similar. Right. The next step is going to be creating this hero section. So first, let's select the text. Here we're going to create a section element. Inside of it, we're going to create a div element. We can separate it into part, the first part and the second part. Class name, left. Here, class name, right. Now let's apply different styles. the first one is going to be H1, and the next one is going to be paragraph, and then we have a button, and the button is going to say login. I think it's not login, it's register. Now the next part is downloading this image. On the left side, on the right side, it's going to be on the right side. So click export and click the PNG export illustration. Yes, it's directly downloaded in the working directory. If you see right here, we have the illustration. So I think we can directly put this here. Image source dot / illustration, and the class name could be, yes, if we want to have more than one image, we can say it's right. Now let's check our website. Here we have. So let's go ahead and start styling it. Class name hero dot hero. Let's see if we are going to have a suggestion. Looks good. It's flex, justify content space between, padding 50 by 100 pixel. Now we can start styling the hero rave section. Dot hero dot left. Maximum width is 50%. H1, let's see how it looks, how H1 looks. Good. How P looks. That's nice. And let's see what the hero button is going to look like. Good. Now, so this is very simple. If you want to have an explanation, this is a font size, font weight, and this is a margin bar. So we have this paragraph element that is that's below the H1 tag, and this is how the button is being styled. So now on the left section, we can also start the styling. I think we didn't finish for nice. This is a hover effect. Now we have an image size with the maximum width. I think it looks good. The only difference is the text format, yes. So we're going to apply some kind of style for that. So to change the color, what we do is separate the text. Label, not label, it's going to be span. Hero H1, let's go here. Now let's check this. Now it looks perfectly like the design. Now this is how fast you can this is very helpful. The AI, the autocomplete, has helped me a lot to create this interface. So thanks for watching. I'll be back with another video next time. So I hope that this is very helpful, and if you have any question, ask me on the comment section. Thanks for watching.